Okay, today we are going to be solving quadratics using tables and graphs. I'm going to keep this nice and simple and basically use a calculator. I'm going to start off looking at the example where we have parent function y equals x squared. I look at the graph. Basis of this is where it crosses the line. The easy one of these for us to look at is where it crosses the x-axis right here. Parent function crosses or touches it once right here. If I was to move this down one, look at the graph, I see that it actually now crosses in two places. Those would be my solutions or my zeros if I was worried about where it crosses the x-axis, my x-intercepts, my zeros, my roots, whatever. We're going to do something a little beyond that today. So I'm going to move this back to x squared, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to put another line. I'm just going to graph the line 1. So basically what I'm going to see is a graph of x squared, and then I have a graph of y equals x. These places where they intersect, right here and right here, those are my solutions. So when x squared equals 1, I get two different answers. I get an answer at -1 and 1. All I'm looking for is where my two pieces cross. So if x squared is equal to 1, I get two different places. I can also look at my table. My table here, I am finding where my y1 and y2 are equal. So at -1, my y1 and y2 are equal, and at 1, my y1 and y2 are equal. Those are my two solutions. So let's use that knowledge and look at this first one here. My first solving one here, I'm just going to keep everything in the same order that we have on the paper. On the left side, I have 3. So we're going to put 3 in here. And then on the other side, we're going to put -x squared plus 4. And we are going to first look at the graph to see what we're looking at. Those points right there are my solutions, where it crosses here and where it crosses here. To get our exact answer, we are going to look at the table. Right here at -1, I have 3 and 3. And if I go down to 1, I have 3 and 3. So my two solutions are -1 and 1. So for this one, we have x is equal to -1 or x is equal to 1.